Hello everybody, welcome to the Managerial Economics class. This is Srinivasu Dalparthi, Assistant Professor, Department of Management Studies, VSM College Autonomous, Ramchandrapuram. In the Managerial Economics 4th unit, Theory of Production and Cost and Firms Behavior. In that, today we are going to discuss cost concepts. What is cost concept? Cost concept, it is used for analyzing the cost of a project in short and long run. Cost concept, it is used for analyzing the cost of a project in short run and long run. Cost analysis is all about a study of behavior of cost with the respect to various production criteria like the scale of operation, price of the factors of production, size of the output, etc. It is all about the financial aspects of production. In order to understand the cost function well in the article, we will look at the various cost concept. Types of cost. More topics under theory of cost. Total fixed cost TFC, average fixed cost AFC, and total variable cost TVC, average variable cost AVC, total cost TC, and average total cost ATC, marginal cost MC. TFC, AFC, TVC, AVC, TC, ATC, and MC. Total fixed cost, average fixed cost, total variable cost, average variable cost, total cost, average total cost, marginal cost. Let us see what is fixed cost. FC. Fixed cost denotes the cost which is do not vary with the level of production. Fixed cost independent of the output. Example, depreciation, interest rates, and taxes, rent and taxes. And total fixed cost. What is TFC? All costs associated with the fixed input. All cost associated with the fixed input is total fixed cost. First one, what is fixed cost? Fixed cost denotes the cost which do not vary with the level of production. Fixed cost is independent of output. Example, depreciation, tarugdala, interest rates, వడ్డీ రేట్లు, రెంట్, అద్దె, taxes, పన్నులు. And total fixed cost, all costs associated with the fixed input. ఫిక్స్డ్ ఇన్పుట్కి అవసరమైనటువంటి అన్ని ట్యాక్సుల సముదాయాన్ని మనం టోటల్ ఫిక్స్డ్ కాస్ట్ అనొచ్చు. టిఎఫ్సి. వాట్ ఈస్ యావరేజ్ ఫిక్స్డ్ కాస్ట్? యావరేజ్ ఫిక్స్డ్ కాస్ట్ per unit of output. AFC equals to TFC by output. AFC, average fixed cost, equals to total fixed cost by output. Right? And variable cost. What is variable cost? Variable cost is rest of total cost. Variable cost is rest of total cost. The part that variable varies of as you produce more or less, it depends on output. Increase of output with labor. Variable cost is rest of total cost. The part that varies as you product more or less, it depends on output. Increase of output with labor. అవుట్పుట్ బట్టి ఈ వేరియబుల్ కాస్ట్ అనేది డిసైడ్ అవుతుంది. ఇంక్రీజింగ్ ఆఫ్ అవుట్పుట్ విత్ లేబర్ ద్వారా ఈ వేరియబుల్ కాస్ట్ని మనం ఎగ్జాంపుల్గా చెప్పొచ్చు. టోటల్ వేరియబుల్ కాస్ట్ టీవీసీ, ఆల్ కాస్ట్ అసోసియేట్ విత్ వేరియబుల్ ఇన్పుట్. ఏవైతే వేరియబుల్ ఇన్పుట్స్ ఉన్నాయో అన్ని కాస్ట్ యొక్క సముదాయాన్ని మనం వేరియబుల్ ఇన్పుట్స్కి సంబంధించిన అన్ని కాస్ట్ని మనం టోటల్ వేరియబుల్ కాస్ట్గా చెప్పుకోవచ్చు. అండ్ ఏవీసీ, యావరేజ్ వేరియబుల్ కాస్ట్. యావరేజ్ వేరియబుల్ కాస్ట్ పర్ యూనిట్ ఆఫ్ అవుట్పుట్. ఏదైతే యావరేజ్ వేరియబుల్ కాస్ట్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు టోటల్ వేరియబుల్ కాస్ట్ బై అవుట్పుట్. అండ్ టోటల్ కాస్ట్ టీసీ, the sum of total fixed cost and total variable cost. Sum of total fixed cost and total variable cost. TC equals TFC plus TVC. Total fixed cost plus total variable cost. The sum of total fixed cost is total variable cost. Total cost. Total cost equals to total fixed cost plus total variable cost. Average total cost. What is average total cost? Average total cost per unit of output. Average total cost per unit of output. Average total cost equals to average fixed cost plus average variable cost. Average total cost equals to total cost by output. మనం ఈ విధంగా కూడా చెప్పుకోవచ్చు. అక్కడ ఉన్నటువంటి యావరేజ్ total cost equals to total cost by output. Marginal cost. What is marginal cost? The additional cost is incurred from the producing an additional input or of output equals to marginal cost equals to TC by output. Total cost by output. Marginal cost equals to total variable cost by output. Either total cost by output or total variable cost by output. Typical total cost curves. So total variable cost and total cost is always increasing. Let us see the diagram. Here what is TVC and TC also increasing. Total cost and total variable cost are increasing. First a decreasing rate. Let us see the curve. First a decreasing rate downing and then increasing rate. What is curve moving? Let us see and examine the curve moving increasing and decreasing ratios. Typical average and marginal cost curves. Typical average and marginal cost curves. Typical average marginal cost curves. What is marginal cost? Is average cost, total cost and marginal cost. Average variable cost and average fixed cost. So cost and here output. These two lines we are observing cost and output. Here also cost and output. Typical marginal cost, average total cost and marginal cost. So average final cost is always declining at a decreasing rate, and average total cost and average variable cost decline at first, reach a minimum, then increasing higher levels of output. The difference between average total cost and average variable cost is equal to average and marginal cost is generally increasing. Marginal cost crosses the average total cost and average variable cost at their minimum point. If marginal cost is below the average value will be decreasing. If marginal cost is above the average value will be increasing. And production rules for the short run. Let us see what are the production rules for the short run. Production rules for the short run. If expected selling price is expected selling price greater minimum average variable cost with implies total variable cost is greater than TVC, a loss cannot be avoided. Minimum loss by not producing, the loss will be equal to TFC, and if expected selling price please wait. So production rules for the short run. if expected selling price is less than minimum average cost, which implies total total return less than total variable cost. A loss cannot be avoided. Minimum loss by not producing, the loss will be equal to total fixed cost. Total fixed cost. If expected selling price is less than minimum average total cost, but average total cost, but less than minimum average cost, less than minimum average cost, which implies total return, total variable, but total cost, total return greater than total variable cost, but total variable cost is less than to total cost. A loss cannot be avoided. Minimize loss by the producing where MR equals to MC. The loss will be between 0 and total fixed cost. Total fixed cost. Let us see here. We have to understand what is that. If expected selling price minimum ATC, average total cost, which implies total return greater than total cost. A profit can be made. Maximize profit by the producing where marginal rate and short run production decision. What is short run production decision? Illustration of short run production decision. Marginal cost and average total cost, average variable cost. See, same here, dollars and output. Marginal cost is same line and average cost also same line. So what is the curve going on from the MR1 to MR2, MR3? Short run production decision. Long run cost curves. All costs are variable in the long run. There is only average variable cost in long run. Since all factors are variables, it is also called as planing curve or envelope or slope curve. Scale curve. Production rules for the long run. If selling price greater than average total cost or total return greater than total cost. Continue the produce. Maximize profit by the producing where maximum return and maximum cost. If selling price average total cost, if selling price less than average total cost or total return less than total cost, there will be a continuous loss. Sell the fixed assets eliminated fixed cost, and reinvest money is more profitable alternative. So long run cost curve. So average total cost and outputs in different line. Economic scale and diseconomic scale. It is happening in the long run cost curve. All costs are variable in the long run. There is only average variable cost in long run, since all factors are variables. It is also called as planing curve or envelope scale curve. Economies of scale. Economies of scale are the cost advantages that the firm obtained due to expansion. Diseconomics is opposite. Two types. Pecuniary economics of scale, playing low price because of buying in large quantity. Paying low price because buying large quantity. What is economic scale? Economic scale are that cost advantages that firm obtain due to expansion. Diseconomics is opposite, two types. Pecuniary economic scale, planning low price because buying in large quantity. Real economics on scale. Real economics on scale. Return to reduction is physical quantities of input. Return to reduction in physical quantity of input per unit of output when the size of the firm increases as a result. Input cost minimized. Input cost minimized. And diseconomies. What is diseconomies? In internal economics, it is a condition which brings about a decrease in long run economy of firm because changing happening with the firm. Example, as a company scope increasing, it may have distribute goods and services in progressively more depressed areas. This can actually increase average cost, resulting diseconomics of scale. What is diseconomics? Internal economics. It is a condition which brings about decreasing LRAC of the firm because of change happening within the firm. As a company scope increasing, it may have distribute its goods and services in progressively more depressed areas. This can actually increase average cost, resulting in diseconomies of scale. External economics. What is external economics? It is a condition which brings about a decrease in LRAC of the firm because of the change happens outside the firm. Taxation policies of the government. Taxation policies of the government. So in the cost concept, today we are going to discuss in the cost. What is the cost concept? The cost concepts and different types of cost. To the cost concept and different kinds of cost. The cost analysis is all about the study of the behavior of cost which represents with respect to various production criteria like the scale of operations, prices, and the factors of the production, size of output, etc. It is all about the financial aspects of production. In order to understand the cost function well, in this area we will look various cost concepts. Cost concept, it is used for analyzing the cost of a project in short run and long run. Types of cost: total fixed cost TFC, average fixed cost AFC, total variable cost TVC, average variable cost AVC, and total cost TC, average total cost ATC, and marginal cost MC. These are the types of cost. And what is cost abbreviations? And production rules for the short run production decisions, long run cost curves, production rules for the long run, and economies of scales, diseconomies, and external economics. I think you have understood the class. Still, if you have any doubts, please comment below. You have to understand, for your better understanding, please do watch with 1 or 2 more times. Still, if you have any doubt, please comment below. We will discuss about the doubts in our doubt session. We'll meet with another topic in next class. Kindly go through the videos, watch the videos 1 or 2 more times. The cost concept, what are the different types of cost, and short run and long run, what is the difference between short run and long run, what are the variables and what are the factors we have to understand about all these things. We will meet in the next class with another topic. Thank you so much.